So yes, everybody keeps on asking me, when is this project gonna be done? Unfortunately, you know, sometimes the only thing that's out of my hands is the engine. And that's the second time that I send it to a professional or one of the best in the business to build for me. And for the past few days, I'm trying to figure out why I put pressure through the system for the radiator, and for some reason everything is leaking, or I get a whistle, but I can never build pressure. So today finally I kind of figured it out. Okay, so if you can see between the head and the block, obviously there's a, one second. All right, so that's a Z3, K20 Z3, and I think that the gasket is not the right gasket. I'm going to release the pressure. Maybe I gotta turn on the pump. Let's turn on the pump 1 second. It's hooked up. Nothing yet. See it? Wait. All right. As soon as I put CoolNet, it's leaking from here. Opens up and fucking pour all. Oh, you look at it. That's all CoolNet. It's not leaking from here. This is all fucking dry. It's leaking from here, literally. This shit is all fucking leak. Ay, I cut my fucking finger. But all of this is leaking.